In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Gmail password if you forgot it. 5 minutes. We'll use Google Chrome's built-in password manager to view a password you previously saved for your own Gmail account. This works only if the password was saved in Chrome on this device or synced with your Google account. If it's not saved, you'll need to use Google's account recovery instead. Start by opening your Google Chrome browser on your computer. The method I'm showing relies on Chrome's saved passwords, so make sure you're using Chrome rather than another browser. At the top right of Chrome, click the three vertical dots, also known as the More menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens Chrome's main settings area, where all your browser preferences live. On the left-hand side, click Autofill in Passwords. This section controls saved addresses, payment info, and most importantly for us, your saved sign-ins. Next, select Google Password Manager. This is where Chrome stores the usernames and passwords you've allowed it to remember, either locally or via your Google account sync. It's designed to keep your data protected, which is why you'll be asked to verify your identity before revealing any password. Now, look for the entry related to your Gmail. Often that will appear under your Google account or as a site like accounts.google.com. You can use the search box at the top to type Google, Gmail, or accounts.google.com to narrow things down. Be sure you're accessing your own account information and that you recognize the email address shown. Click the account or website entry to open its details. For security, Chrome will prompt you to authenticate with your computer credentials, such as your system password, Touch ID, or Windows Hello. This step ensures only you can view sensitive information on this device. After successfully authenticating, you'll see an eye icon next to the password field. Click the eye icon to reveal your Gmail password in plain text. Take a moment to confirm you're in a private space before showing it on screen, and hide it again when you're done. If needed, you can note it down securely, but avoid storing it in plain text where others might see it. That's it. Open Chrome, go to Settings, head into Autofill and Passwords, open Google Password Manager, find your Google account or the Gmail, sign in entry, authenticate, and click the eye to reveal. If the entry isn't there, it likely wasn't saved on this device. For better security moving forward, consider keeping passwords in a trusted manager and enabling two-step verification on your Google account.